What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're having a look at actually one of my favorite releases in the past couple years. We've gotten quite a few different color variations, and that is the Indy Oval 500. Check it out. We've got lots of different color variations, and we're going to take a look at all of them. This is the first released in 2018, and we've had all 7 of these released in 2018, 2019, but this casting is actually not a new casting as of last year. This casting has been around for quite some time, but I feel like Hot Wheels just all of a sudden started liking this casting again. They started releasing a bunch of them again, which I do not mind because I really like it. So let's have a look. First one we have is the Golf Edition in this light blue. You can see the nice orange striping on there, the Golf logos on there, number 33 on the side, blacked out wheels with the colored lip on there, and the number 33 right there as well. And this was the first one of the Golf release last year, and we got 3 Golf release variations of it last year. So this casting is actually very unique as well because it was released in a mainline, a mystery, a Zamac, and a Super Treasure Hunt. We're gonna go over all of those ones today. So let's go ahead and put that one back there. And our next one up we have is the Super Treasure Hunt variation. There it is, our Super Treasure Hunt variation from 2018. 2018 Super Treasure Hunt variation. Very nice looking. This one, the main difference, it does have the rubber tires on there. It's got different wheels on there, more exclusive upgraded wheels. And this is that very nice paint job, the Spectra Flame paint job on there. Very gorgeous looking in this one. This one I was really excited for a Super Treasure Hunt. And that one also very similar to the blue one, except it's just got the different paint job, the upgraded paint job, the upgraded wheels and tires on there. And moving on to the next release, and this one I believe was a Walmart exclusive variation. It's the Zamac edition of the Indy Oval. And there you go, so you've got that Zamac paint job on there, Zamac or Zamac, however you guys want to say it, but very nice wheels. Also got the 33, also the Golf Edition livery on there. I love the Zamac edition. Very cool. Like it. And our next release was a 2019 release. So those were the 2018 releases. Now we move on to the 2019 releases. We got a red variation release, and check out the nice paint job and stuff on there. Blacked out wheels, a little bit different of a lip. It's kind of got that little stud in the lip right there. No 33, no Golf livery on there. This one's got the number 5 on it though. And check it out from the front. It's got a couple of different graphics and stuff on there. This one is nice on the red one. Red looks good on any car. I feel like red is a great looking color for a car. And next up we have is the green colored variation, very similar to the red one, just in the green color. So the livery is actually all the same on this one. So you can check it out from the top right there in this green. Blacked out wheels, it's got green colored lip on there, chromed out green colored lip on there. But I don't know, I like the green. Green's probably not my favorite one of all of them, but still looks good. I mean, a lot of green Hot Wheels fans, you'll like that one as well. Next up, we've got a Mystery Models variation of this one. So this was a 2019 Mystery Models Series 2 release, and this one was in there as well. So this is probably the best Mystery Model set. So if you guys haven't checked out the Series 2 2019 Mystery Models, this one was part of it and a great set. So love this one. I like it. I like the livery on there. It looks really good. Really nice in this color as well. And it's also got those similar type of wheels on there as well. And our last release of 2019, well, the most newest release, I should say, is a multi-pack exclusive in white. And this one's white. It's got blacked out wheels with the kind of blue chrome lip on there, the yellow on the inside of it, really nice livery on the front of it as well. I bought a 9-pack, I believe it's actually a 10-pack, just because of this car. I really like this car. So very good. And also for 2019, I'll pop it up on the screen right now, we've got a Mario Andretti edition Indy Oval, which is gonna be coming out very soon. But what do you guys think? Let's move them on up a little bit here. Which is your favorite color variation of the Indy Oval 500 for the past couple years? And if you guys have any of the original release ones, I don't have any of the original release ones, let me know in the comments down below. But I absolutely love this casting. The other debate, which is is this considered a fantasy casting or not? Is it a licensed casting? I don't believe it is, because Indy cars is just an Indy car, so I feel like Hot Wheels could just make Indy cars. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Let's discuss that. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.